Alright guys, so I'm going to show y'all this a sound test of the GK61 Gateron optical yellow switches. So this is just a sound test. So before you buy it, make sure you check out the sound test. And there you go.